You guys, it's February 1st, and that means one thing. I get to redecorate my planner. And for those of you new here, my name is Marci Sauter. I'm the Rusty Blonde, and I do all sorts of planner videos. But today, if you're interested in seeing how I get this all decked out for Valentine's Day, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, you guys, here it is. This is one of my favorite setups. I did it for January because it's my birthday month. And now that we are going into February, I'm going to remove all of this and get it decked out for Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day, well, because it's pink and red and resembles love and happiness, and you get to celebrate your loved ones, and I'm excited to get this all decked out. So I think I'm going to add some sticky notes in here. And I think I'm going to start with this pink set here. I do have lots of other videos on how I created this, my paper dolls and everything, but after we decorate this, I can give you a little tour of how it's set up. But for now, I'm going to remove this, remove my bow. These are all of my dashboards, and I'm going to see what I want to use for Valentine's Day. It may just have to be one of those. These are so cute. Maybe I do that. That would be really cute too. Let's see if that'll work for me. I know that I do have a Valentine folder in here. Let me see what I had for it. I had the Love Bug, which that one is super cute too. And then I have these giant clips. These two I ordered a while back, but they're a little bit bigger than I anticipated. Like if you get any of these, I'll even get, I mean, just in comparison, it's a pretty big. Same with the lips. They're pretty big. But they're adorable, and I thought, you know what? I can just use these for Valentine's Day. But these I thought were great because they swivel. But anyways, they're all right. They're just a little too big for me. Let me get that back. Let me get my bows out. I don't know that I'll use any bows this month. There. I have some dangles too. Maybe I use the pink. Love one. I have a rose. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so I don't know which dashboard I want to use. Let me grab some die cuts. Oops, I have some business cards in there. But these are more little page markers that I have just to play with, add or take away. That would be pretty cute for my front. Well, okay, let's start by putting these clips away. I do absolutely love this set. I think you guys liked it as well. Are you guys doing a Valentine theme? You'll have to let me know down below if you guys are doing one. I do one every month because I just absolutely love it, and it's so much fun for me to do. And I have a ton of clips, but I'm trying to think of what. I guess I'll just bust out all of my pink ones, because what better month to have it decked out in pink than for Valentine's Day? Oops, sorry, I bumped my camera. Here are die cuts. Oh. Maybe I use coffee as my love language. I don't know. All right, let's see. I love my pink Starbucks. I might have to keep it and then just switch that one. Well, let's just start with clips and see. Whoops, now I dropped one. I'm really bummed that these are so big, but it might be okay. So I'm gonna attempt to use these. But you guys, they're so big and they're kind of awkward. Like I said, I thought I would love the swivel clip, but I don't know that I do. See how big that is? We'll see. I do think it's pretty cute though for Valentine's Day. I don't know, what do you guys think? Is that too big? I do have pink lips I can use. Love a latte will be cute. I have this honey because I call my husband Honey. That might be cute. Latte, my love. I don't know. I think they might just be a little too big for me. Cupcake would be cute. Her with pink hair would be cute. I don't know, you guys. Maybe I'll put the cup down here. That might be cute. Maybe that'll work. What do you guys think about that? His heart is just gigantic. Go down anymore. Maybe I put the heart up there. Let's try that. Maybe the lips down here. I mean, because the giant red lips are adorable. So maybe I just rethink the rest of this a bit. It's kind of cute overlapping. No, I can use this giant heart. I can do it because it is super cute. It's just giant. All right, guys. So maybe I put the cupcake here, and it'll be cute if they're overlapping. So let's see what other ones I have. Not Disney. You guys, my Easter one is gonna be so cute. I can't wait to do Easter. Not Halloween. Okay, I guess that's it. I don't have any miscellaneous. I keep bumping my camera. I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna keep going because I think this will be pretty cute. And then maybe one right there, maybe I just dropped some. You guys, I think that's pretty cute. What do you think? What do you think? I think that turned out really cute. I think I love it. Let's see, maybe I switch out the flowers for a blue. Give it a different color. Yep, you guys, there it is. I think I really like it. Even with my giant clips in there. Okay, so now let me rethink this front part. Let me set my clips aside. Love Bug is pretty cute with all the different colored pinks and I do this, or glitter is my favorite color. Okay, I think you guys, I'm gonna go with this because of the kisses and it being Valentine's Day. I think that's really cute. I hope you think so too. All right, moving on. So then I added my adorable dashboard of mini sticky notes. Let me make sure I don't want the other one in there. Yeah, I definitely want the pink. Then I have this page marker and my calendar. Then I have this page marker and my YouTube. This I need to mark. This will be my February calendar, and I will fill that out. I kind of just keep track of my YouTube videos on those. This is a notes section. And then this is my celebrations, which I'm gonna go ahead and put this clip in here, or this dashboard. Yeah, that'll be cute. So for birthday celebrations, and then this page marker for groceries. And I have apples, milk, some ice cream bars, orange juice. And then this here is my budget section. All of these, I am on a cash budget system, and so every paycheck I budget my money and divvy it up into these envelopes, and that's what I live on until the following paycheck. It's been working really well, and in fact we just got paid, so I will be doing that video next. Then I have like all of my, I have my 2 debit cards, my driver's license, and then I have insurance information, and then these are all gift cards, business cards, and things like that. So those have been really nice. And then back here I keep a couple checks, some stamps, and then some movie tickets, and then my emergency contact sheet back here. And then again, my daughter's little postal information. So you guys, there you have it. I think I'm all set up for February, which I'm so excited. I get little things for my kids. I'm gonna put this somewhere. Where can this go? Maybe right in front. Has a bow. Notes, I'll put it on this dashboard. Just to have a little dangle this month. That's cute. It says love, and there's a heart, and then a wedding ring. So cute. So yeah, I'll do that. Okay, so there you have it, guys. There's my February setup. I think it turned out really, really cute. I'm super happy with it. And I'm really glad that I was able to use those giant clips that I have. Even though they're big and bulky, I think that's okay because it's Valentine's Day. So you guys, there you have it. That's my setup. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And if not, I will see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.